Is this really your soulmate or your cellmate? Like, seriously, do you feel loved? Or do you feel like you're doing time with someone who treats your happiness like it's on parole? If your love story has more plot twists than a Netflix prison documentary, you might not be in love. You might be in lockdown with someone emotionally armed and dangerous. Let's break this down. Love is supposed to feel safe, supportive, and mutually beneficial. But this kind of toxic love, that's that roller coaster stuff people brag about thinking it's cute, like making you cry but then buys you flowers, or your wife gaslighting you, then telling you that you're being too sensitive. Or best yet, keeping tabs on your phone like they work for the feds. Let me say this to you with love. Toxic love isn't passion. It's drama in a leather jacket pretending to be deep. Just because they miss you after acting like a jerk doesn't mean it's love. It means their ego got lonely. Look, not every fight means you're in a bad relationship, but if fighting becomes your love language, yikes. Toxic behavior will grow like mold, and if you ignore it, it just spreads. But luckily for you, I'll tell you how to spot it with a few questions. Do you feel anxious more than you feel excited? Or do they always flip arguments so you end up apologizing? Or do you feel like you have to walk on eggshells just to not ruin the vibe? If you're constantly explaining your worth to someone who benefits from you not knowing it, run. That's not love. That's a hostage situation with emotional snacks. All right, buckle up because this next part might sting. Are you ready? You cannot change the people around you, but you can change the people you choose to be around. Oof, we all think we're the one who's going to fix them, when really they can only fix themselves. You're not their therapist or their stay-at-home rehab. You're someone who deserves your kind of love. You need to know that changing your partner is not love. And if you're changing yourself to be acceptable to them, that's codependency cosplay. You don't need to downgrade your joy just to match someone else's dysfunction. Okay, so what now? Now that you're realizing you're not in some made-up love story, let's start by healing and taking your power back. Grab a piece of paper. On one side, write, "How I want to feel in love." On the other side, "How I actually feel right now." Look at them both and compare them honestly. If your actual side looks like a horror movie script, it's probably time to leave the set. Another thing we can try is by closing your eyes. Picture yourself 5 years from now. Ask yourself, would future me be proud that I stayed in this? And if the answer is hell no, then you already know what to do. People think staying in a relationship is strong and leaving is weak. They are wrong. It's actually the bravest kind of love, the one you show yourself. And that by far is the most important kind of love, because love is not meant to be toxic. So if they can't love you right, love yourself enough to walk away. Remember, you don't need someone who completes you. You need someone who respects that you are already whole. And if this video lit a fire in your heart or under your butt, good. Then hit that subscribe if you're ready to turn your pain into power, and then smash that like it's the ignore button on your ex's phone call. And share this with someone who keeps confusing red flags for roses. Until next time, love smarter, not harder.